Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add music on featured photos on Facebook. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you do so, create a story. In here, choose any from your gallery. Go ahead, take your time in choosing what you want to post. I'll be here waiting. In here, there are a lot of options. You can even click on the music icon, and then in that, you can add a new music for your new post. Now go ahead, take your time in choosing what music you want to add to your new posting. And as you can see, all your lyrics are now appearing over your new posting. In here, click on Save. Once done, you can now go ahead and edit the story privacy. Once updated, the next thing to do is just to share this over at your story. In here, you'll need to click on your profile this time. Over at your profile, scroll down. And then in here, you will now have the option to edit your profile. Once you scroll down, you will see Add to Featured. In here, you can now choose on whatever you want to add to your featured photos. Go ahead, take your time in choosing. For now, we are waiting for our story to be published or uploaded so that we can add it as a featured photo. In this case, all we need to do is once our story has already been posted, just go back to the same setup and then you can add it as a featured photo or video for your very own Facebook profile. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.